Hello everybody, Zoran here. I'm glad to announce one of the next Academy 387 courses titled Programming for the Web, a crash course. Obviously, it's going to be a short course, but rich in content. You will learn how to create modern, multi-paradigm, multimedia, highly responsive web applications. The course will be based on two major web technologies, HTML5 and JavaScript. After a brief introduction to the basics of these technologies, we will study and use some of their advanced features, such as canvas element and multimedia support in HTML5, WebSockets and new web architectures it has introduced, concepts of prototypes, modularity and dependency in JavaScript programming, and so forth. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you soon in the Academy 387 classroom.